everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm with a new little model. We've got Esme in the chair. So if you're after a really cute but simple style, we are here to show you. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to tame Esme's hair a little bit. She's just got a few little flyaways, so I'm just going to gently spray a little bit of the Bedhead wax spray. Just brushing that product through. This is going to be a really quick style, but it's going to look like you know how to braid, even if you don't. So I'm going to start off just coming a little bit lower than the ear, and taking that brush up like that. And then I'm going to come a little bit higher on this side. And then we're just going to clip this little piece of hair out of the way for a minute. We're going to release this hair down. Be pleased to know that we are not going to be doing a French or a Dutch braid today, but it's going to look like we have, okay? So you're going to break this hair into three, and you're going to cross over the middle, cross over the middle. And now, instead of just crossing the full section, we're going to make it look a little bit more like a fishtail. So rather than just crossing that section over the middle, I'm just going to kind of break it off like that and just cross that section over. Same on this side. So I'm just going to cross that section over. Cross that section over. Trying to keep my hands out the way for you guys. So you've almost got just two strands now. And it's going to look a little bit more fishtaily rather than just ordinary braids. I'm going to do that for one more stitch, and then I'm going to start teasing this braid out. So if you were doing this sort of for school or something, you might decide to not tease out too much. If it was more like for a party or a wedding, you might decide to tease out a little bit more. Once I get down to where the ponytail is, guys, I am going to start adding in on that ponytail to sort of anchor it down, but we're going to completely cover that in a minute. Crossing over, taking a bit out of the ponytail as well. And then you're just going to keep going, crossing those strands. Now I'm only going to be teasing the outside. This is going to curl around here, you see. So I'm not going to tease these inner bits now. I'm just going to tease these outer sections. And then I'm just making my sections a little bit smaller now, just to sort of make the braids look a little bit more delicate, because that's going to be like the centre of the bun. So I'm just popping in a little elastic, and we're going to pin it. So you're going to start off at the bottom. I'm almost going to like tuck that tail in. You're just going to start to wind up this hair. And then you're going to get your long grips, go straight through, almost pushing one way and then back in. So it's like that and back in. So I hope you like this style, guys. I've got lots of other styles like this for you to try out that's really quick, really simple, but looks super cute.